The poverty programming trap. It hurts, man. Yes, it hurts. I've been in your situation. I've been in your situation before. We all have, man. And you can relate. Why? Because you feel like you're trapped. You just feel like, oh, wait, I feel like there's something great for my life. I should be doing something with myself right now. This 9 to 5 isn't doing it for me. Why do I hate my job? You always consistently asking yourself, maybe you went to university. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you thought to yourself, you know what? There's just something different, man. I'm here to tell you exactly that, and you need to watch this video all the way to the end because there's a ton of bonuses that's here just for you to be able to change your life. Let's begin with this. You know when you buy a new phone, a brand new phone, yeah? The first thing you need to do for that phone is you need to get a new SIM card, right? So you can be able to call your phone, hey, yeah, it's Susie, it's Jim, it's John. Yeah, I'm just wondering how you're doing. Is everything good? You're there talking. Why? Because you've got a special SIM card for that phone that's allowing people to reach you from calling you on that phone. Do you get what I mean? So that SIM card has a unique number that only comes through to you. Nobody can call that phone and get somebody else on the line. Do you understand? So that number has been programmed specifically for that SIM card. Now, when you was young, when I was young, the programming that took place, the poverty programming that took place was that they started educating you on how to become an employee, not an employer. You see the difference? They started telling you that, wait, this child already, we can see that we want him to become an employee. We don't want him to read books such as, you know, as these, or the .com Secret, or Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. By the way, these are books that you should be reading. I'm giving you guys gems on this. They don't want you to read and become an employer. They want you to become an employee. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna start to program you already. They're gonna start to, okay, you know what, after you graduate, you get your nice job, you can work, buy a house, and then pay off the mortgage by the time you're 60 years old. What the heck? Who told you I want to do that? Huh? Who? Not me. I don't want to live to 60 years old paying off a mortgage that I don't even want to do. Do you understand? Snap out of it. Can't you see? There's a party that's going on and you're not invited. There's a party that's taking place and you're not invited. So we need to get the invite. So that's what I'm saying. You need to change your SIM card. Your SIM card came with a pre-built number. Your SIM card came with a number that they programmed that you're supposed to be poor anyways. Okay, and by the time you're 60 years old, from your mortgage, from your pension that you've been working so hard to save up for, all of a sudden the money's not there. All of a sudden you think to yourself, wait, so I've just worked, paid tax, given up my family time, my life, the best things that could have happened to me in this life, which is family, having kids, moments and memories. You sacrifice that for a paycheck. Do you know how much that's gonna hurt by the time you're 60 years old? Do you know how much, my friend, you're going to start to regret this? It's going to hurt big time. So that's what I'm saying. Change your life right now. Remove the poverty programming trap that they put inside your mind and switch it and change, man. You can do this. You can do this. Who told you otherwise? It's super hard for you to snap out the programming, but that's what I'm talking about. I'm trying to get you guys to snap out of it, because if you don't snap out of it, nobody is going to come and rescue you. And in these superhero movies, the programming is always like the rich guy, yeah? The rich guy who is the jerk, if you want to say, okay? But the poor guy is always the guy that who's in the background, basically, like he's trying to strive for success, but he's not obtaining the success, and the rich guy is doing the opposite, if you get what I mean. If you don't get what I mean, don't worry about it. The main point is, guys, snap out of it. Change your SIM card. You've been programmed to be broke. You've been programmed for no success ever, period. Why would they want, think about it, why would they want a society of successful people, then they don't have no employees to work for them? Okay? They don't want a society of businessmen. Why? Because there's not going to be any employees. They want a society of brokies, of broke individuals. So that's what I'm saying. You're going to have to change your programming, because if not, then you're going to remain absolutely broke. The point of this video is for you to take action and action is super important. And the action that we've been taking in S&T private membership, we've been sharing Bible verses, we've been sharing the word of God. These are things that's going to change and transform your life. These are the stories that is going to allow you to go from point A to point B in the quickest time possible. But I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You need God to be able to take action and do it and change all of these things, because if not, guys, I'm telling you right now, it's looking crazy for you. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, smash that like button. It does a ton for us. It allows us literally to reach other and plenty of other people. So I want you to destroy that like button right now, okay? But as I said, swap out your SIM card and you'll be surprised as to what that new programming that you adopt, which is, as I said, reading books, reading or listening to podcasts that are going to be changing your life, watching videos like this, sharing videos like this to your friends and family so that they can also change their life, is going to take you from point A to point B to a different league, to a different level, man. But as I said, everything you want, every success you want is behind fear, okay? Money, whatever you call, look, everything that you want is behind fear. And if you're afraid to take action, take me for example. I was thinking to myself, you know what, I can't be bothered to make this video. It's going to be long. It takes a ton of work, but I did it anyhow. So how about you, man? How about you, bro? You can do it. You can transform your life. Maybe you're struggling with weight issues. You can transform your life. Maybe you're struggling with, I don't know, finances. We're covering that in S&T, our private membership. So link will be somewhere in the description anyways if you do want to join. But if you don't want to join, that's absolutely fine. I just want you to take action and to change your life, okay? The bonus that I wanted you guys to take from this literally is, one point of my life, I was trapped in Africa because I wasn't born in the US or in the UK. I was trapped in Africa and I was thinking to myself, what's going to come of my life, man? How am I going to snap out of this situation? How will I ever be successful? And I said to myself, you know what? If I don't take charge and control of my life, I'm screwed, because nobody's going to do it for me. And I want you literally to sit down and deep those words, let it sink in, and say to yourself, yes, this man who's talking to me through the camera right now, he's definitely right. If I don't save myself, nobody's coming. And that's going to be literally the key that's going to take you and allow you to take that action to the next level, okay? If you enjoyed this video, guys, this video is the video I want you to watch next, which is why God's people are broke. And we're going to be relating it to the Bible and showing you guys why they want you to be broke and they don't want you to change your life. All right, peace out.